Let's do this question together. In class 3A, there are 23 students in total. There are 5 more girls than boys. How many girls in class 3A? When we show this question to students in grade 3, 4, 5, they can quickly identify that the keyword more, that means we need to use subtraction. Total, that means we need to do addition. And there are 2 types of subjects here, the boy and girl. Likely we're going to do division. And then they got stuck. They don't know what equation should they write next. The trick of solving this question is to rewrite this question using a number 9. Let me show you how to do it. So we are going to use a line to represent total number of boys. So each one unit in the number 9 here, it's representing one person. And then we're going to draw a second line to represent the number of girls, because there are 5 more girls than the boys. So this line has to be longer than the first one. How many units longer? Exactly 5 more units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more girls. Okay, number of girls. And I'm going to use a blue color here because this part will be exactly the same. That's how we see it's 5 more girls. Okay, great. So we use this 2 number 9 over here to describe there are 5 more girls than boys. And how about the first sentence? There are 23 students in total. So this one tells us if we combine these 2 lines together, we need to have exactly 23 units. So let's do it. So let's draw the first one. It's the boy. And then we copy the second part over here, the girls, right? Exactly on 2 sections. And here is my 5 more girls section over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put in the color here. They are the same number of units here. Okay, so we copied 2 lines over here. Boy, it's here. Girl, it's here. And we know there are 23 students in total. How many units we're going to have for this line? Exactly 23. And this is 5. So that means this 2 blue sections over here is going to be 23 minus 5 equal to 18. And we know that the same, that means each one blue sections is going to be the 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. So the problem is actually solved. How many boys do we have? We have exactly 9 boys. And the girl will be 9 plus 5 equal to 14. So let's revisit this question. The trick is just use the number line. Next time when you're trying to solve a word problem with the kids, try to ask them to rewrite the question, use the number line. If they can rewrite the questions, use the number line, the question is solved.